Jacobo Greenberg has become a subject of conspiracy theories due to the painting of his advanced science study on consciousness with paranormal phenomena. His mysterious disappearance in 1994. Greenberg vanished without a trace a few days before his 40th birthday. His body was never found. His advance of his were ever discovered Pachita investigation. He thoroughly studied Barbara Guerrero, now Pachita, surgeries opening bodies with a kitchen knife, surgeries opening body with a kitchen and materializing organs, which Greenberg attempt to explain synergic theory.